Thank you so much for speaking with NewsX, sir. With me is Marketing Director of Saab India, Group Captain Rituraj Tyagi, who has served Indian Air Force as a pilot for almost 3 decades. Let's hear from Sir. Sir, how Gripen F is different from Gripen E?
Gripen F is basically a twin-seater, and Gripen E is a single-seater, and that's a difference. Otherwise, in terms of operational capabilities and everything, it remains same, right? So it's a twin-seater and single-seater. That's the basic difference.
So, Gripen's dispersed operations and road basing capability are frequently highlighted as major survivability advantages. Given that the Indian Air Force has historically operated from centralized air bases and maintains doctrine optimized around those facilities, what operational changes would be required for India to fully exploit Gripen's dispersed basing concept? Has Saab AB conducted any analysis showing that these advantages would remain significant within current Indian Air Force operational operating practices?
You see, to be able to operate from the maximum air bases or wherever you want to operate is any Air Force desire. However, the aircraft, with legacy aircraft, are such that it's difficult. They are centralized in terms of arming and everything. And if you must have heard that Indian Air Force aircraft landed on Agra Express Highway and other thing. So that's a recovery. So every Air Force aspires to have as many dispersed locations as possible so that they can firstly survivability, flexibility, and gives you a chance to operate from anywhere, which is surprise for the enemy also. So in terms of that, but today you cannot decide the aircraft which you have that I'll operate from dispersed location. Like you must have heard in the news that aircraft landed in this highway. That's landing, that's a recovery base. But to be able to operate from there, it has to be aircraft have to design like that. And there is no fighter in the world which is designed for dispersed operation like the way Gripen is designed. So this gives an Air Force commander a flexibility and survivability both. Any Air Force would like to do that. And this one is the aircraft feature, and then is the logistic support. It's more of a logistic thing, right? Once the aircraft lands there, probably when we land there, after that we have to take off from there and go to the base to rearm. But the way the logistics and the maintenance support of the Gripen is designed, and the Gripen is designed to have the minimum maintenance in terms of MTBF, the mean time between failure is so low, and the serviceability is so high that you can do continuous operations from the dispersed location. And this gives any Air Force a certain edge over the adversary. And in terms of changing in the concept, more from the operation, it's a concept change from the logistics point of view, right? You need to have rearming and this facility, and that has to be bare minimum. You can't have 10 people turning around the aircraft. There are 2 people, and the ground equipment is such that one equipment should be able to do everything, like loading the weapon or loading the drop tank or loading the engine for that matter. So that has to be designed, and the way the Gripen is designed, there's no aircraft in the world which is designed for such flexibility and survivability.
So, as an Indian Air Force pilot, how do you see Gripen F, supporting Atmanirbhar Bharat? That is the initiative of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Yeah. As been highlighted by Kentucky Molin before, and our thing is that to strengthen that concept, and also to have total design and development center in India through an Indian company, right? Of course, Saab will be a major part of it, right? As a technology partner, and everything from that aircraft will be as Indian as any other Indian aircraft, right? So that is what Saab aspiration has been, and that is how we are working. We have worked with our partners. We have technological partners. We have business partners in India. We have a team of our partners who are willing to take that responsibility along with us to make it, in the true sense, a Atmanirbhar Bharat product as such.
Thank you for speaking with NewsX, sir.
सस्ते वाले